Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Them say fuckery coming in all different shapes and form. So people tell me why Sizzla take the money from a money pull up. The man grab up all our money from off a table and put that in a pocket to her ass. Well, technically still you can see a theme song, so a theme money pull up, cause I him money rights to it though. You want to see Boom Boom face to her ass like Boom Boom vex, but him a put it in a one little laugh. Sizzla did say thanks still, so I guess everything good.
Things do people start to explain. They have the human reason joy mixed with your pain. People will take things as fast to separate. They don't want what is away. I know, and you know why does it have to be? I don't know what the pushes are pull up. Oh, money up there. When I want to get them into the baby, and this is remember we're millionaires. Yeah, I'm here to let them cross. No one can be a cry. People my heart. But who use pull up, pass. You can't use that pull up money and play for the bar. But the man tell the function, you more money up there. A man just sit to put in the man killing it. When a rich selector go on, I'm going to take bad man for food. Next with him.
So Foota hype, the internet villain. Some people love him still. The man made a video with a serious concern. The man say, yo, him really concerned for Romeich entertainment. Yeah, Romeich. Remember them man a friend, you know, them even say no this is to each other. Well, Foota say, yo, him nah a troll and him have a serious concern for Romeich absence. The next person we mentioned say him have a concern about Isaac Buchanan, by the way.
Serious concern. Me no want to take this for joke. And me no want to think actual. This is from my heart. Two people missing out of the world, you know. I mean I think when you realize say them two people are missing, you know. From last year, me no see them, you know. I hear them, you know. Two people missing. I would think we need to call and check on them. One, me no see Romeich. Me no hear from Romeich, hear about Romeich and nothing. Somebody need to check up on it. Cause even a big Christmas, me no see no donation, no treat, no nothing. You know, it's a man who's serious about him team. Me never see the team. Me I wonder if something happened to him. Me no see Romeich, me not even go call him Romeich today. Cause me really, it kinda concerning. Me say, blood clot. I wonder if he commit suicide or what. Somebody need to check up on him. He need to do a little video or something. Take a picture or something. Post something, Romeich, man. Come on now, man. Me know it's a little shit in a plate, but my God, you make we worry about you for real now.